Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Thanks for your love and support. Okay dear students, on your popular demand, today we are solving SSC Board Exam Question Bank Practice Series Standard 10th Subject English Question Bank 1 and 2 Section 6 Creative Skill, and today's our topic will be expansion of theme. We will cover all the topics which are given in the question bank 1 and question bank 2. So let's begin. But before starting, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. सेक्शन 6 और लास्ट सेक्शन होता है क्रिएटिव राइटिंग. इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 7A के 2 सेक्शंस दिए हैं, A1 और A2. आपको A1 या तो A2 अटेम्प्ट करना है. A1 है एक्सपांड द थीम, मीन्स आपको एक प्रोवर्ब या एक लाइन दी रहती है, उसके ऊपर आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना होता है. और सेकंड है न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट, एक न्यूज़ का टाइटल दिया रहता है और आपको उसके ऊपर रिपोर्ट राइटिंग बनानी होती है. दोनों क्वेश्चन में से आप कोई भी 1 अटेम्प्ट कीजिए तो आपको 5 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. तो हम लोग इस वीडियो में एक्सपांड द थीम के जितने भी टॉपिक क्वेश्चन बैंक 1 और क्वेश्चन बैंक 2 में आए हैं वो सारे आज कवर करने वाले हैं. ये वीडियो थोड़ी लॉन्ग होंगी, तो स्टूडेंट्स आप प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को अच्छे से देखें और जो भी एक्सपांड द थीम बीच में आ रही है आप उसका स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल कर एक बुक में उसको एटलीस्ट 1 से 2 टाइम राइट डाउन करिए. चलो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम बिगिन करते हैं. Experience is the best teacher is an old kaichi, but I agree with that. Although some people think that best way to learn about life is by listening to our elders and friends, I believe that people learn the best by their experiences. Learning by our own experience is long lasting and provides better learning. Most of all, learning by our own experience help people to become more mature and ready to tackle difficulties of life. Now change of paragraph. First of all, chapters we learn through our own experiences are long lasting. We remember those lessons for long time and always remember not to repeat them again. On the other hand, if we learn from our friends and families, we forgot those things pretty quickly, as we don't go through that process ourselves. We overlook their advices and suggestions. But when we go through the obstacles and hurdles ourselves, we experience whole process. These hands-on experiences help us to remember our journey and keep us alert for a long time. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस मैनर में हमने पहला वाला एक्सपांशन ऑफ थीम कवर किया है. चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. सेकेंड इज एक्सपांड द थीम नॉलेज इज पावर. अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया है टॉपिक, नॉलेज इज पावर. इसके ऊपर एक एक्सपांड द थीम का क्वेश्चन आया है जो आपको अटेम्प्ट करना है और में कोई ना कोई न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट होंगी जो हम बाद में देखेंगे. चलो लेट्स बिगिन. A person who has knowledge is equipped with power. Here power does not mean the power of money or brute force. Rather it implies the capacity to understand, to discriminate between what is right or wrong and be able to make the correct choices. The illiterate person has limited choices of opportunity and advancement, for he lacks knowledge. Knowledge makes a man resourceful. When he is faced with a difficult situation, he is able to tackle it better. His mind is able to come up with many ways to solve a problem. He is not slowed down by paucity of thoughts. He can even think up new ways of doing things. The world is moving faster each day. No one can afford to remain illiterate. Everyone has to update his or her knowledge to keep up with the times. In this manner we have completed the second one also. Now let us see the third creative sheet. In that we have to expand the theme on a book cannot be judged by its cover. Let's begin. Now let us see. Everything in life that appears to be attractive does not necessarily have great value, so judging by appearances can be misleading. This same fact can be said in another way. A book cannot be judged by its cover. A book with a pretty attractive cover may not be readable material inside. On the other hand, a book with a very dull cover may be very interesting. This is true of almost everything in life. A show that is well advertised may be dull and boring, and a movie that has received very little publicity may be quite entertaining. So, we must not jump to conclusion about the merits or demerits of anything purely on the basis of the way it is packaged. This is the age of advertisement. Makers of products try to show their products in the best light so that people will buy them. But this does not necessarily mean that the product is well worth the money. Even when we judge people, we should not do so by their looks. We must not get saved by their flashy styles or dashing ways. Gandhiji wore his dhoti, but he is still held in a great reverence throughout the world. Abraham Lincoln was not endowed with the good looks, but he is considered by far the greatest American president. Mother Teresa had a very simple appearance, but people all over the world remember and revere her. So it is only right to say that all that glitters is not gold. ये एक्सपेंशन ऑफ थीम दोनों की हो सकती है. ऑल दैट ग्लिटर इज नॉट गोल्ड एंड अ बुक कैन नॉट बी जज बाय इट्स कवर. चलिए हम नेक्स्ट देख. फोर्थ वन इज एक्सपांड द थीम. एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स. चलिए इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं. इसके डिफरेंट एग्जाम्पल्स हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि प्रैक्टिस व्हाट यू प्रीच, एक्शन स्पीक लाउडर देन वर्ड्स, एग्जाम्पल इज़ बेटर देन परसेप्ट. अगर इन तीनों में से अगर कोई भी प्रोवर्ब या मैगजीम आता है तो आपको यही पैराग्राफ लिखना है, या फिर इसकी हेल्प से आप कुछ और सेंटेंसेस अपने माइंड से भी फ्रेम कर सकते हो. ओके. All of us are born preachers, but when it comes to practicing what we preach, we find excuses. Just telling someone that to do or how to behave is not enough. Behaving in the way that one wants others to behave has a more powerful effect. Telling others what to do and not nothing is on self in absolute accuracy. Children quickly observe the gulf between the speech of adults and their actual behavior. They are influenced more by the action of their elders than by their words. They imitate their actions and inculcate their habits. Gandhiji impressed upon villagers the importance of cleanliness by taking a broom in his hand and sweeping the streets. His action had more effect than any speech he might have given. A father who smokes cannot scold his son when he finds him smoking. He should first give up smoking himself. In short, we should ourselves do what we want others to do. This is because actions speak louder than words. An ounce of example is worth much more than a ton of percept. So in this manner we have completed action speaks louder than words, expand the theme. Fifth one, that is expand the theme on procrastination is the theft of time. अब आप लोग सोचे होंगे कि फिफ्थ वन कैसे है. एक एक एक्टिविटी शीट में से मैं एक एक ले रही हूँ क्योंकि हमको एक टॉपिक कंप्लीट करना है. ओके. Now what is the meaning of procrastination is the theft of time, means delaying work, waste of time. Delaying work, waste time. Okay, let's begin. It has been said, never put off for tomorrow what you can do today. Work does not disappear if we postpone it. It only accumulates. Finally, when we do not tackle the work, we spend hours working under great strain and stress. Very often we end up completing the work in a shoddy manner. It might also happen that the work may never ever get done, just because we delayed doing it at the right time. The person who delayed insuring his house will pay a heavy price when it is gutted by a sudden fire. Putting off the treatment of a disease may make it worse and may even result in death. The student who goes on postponing studies will never need to burn the midnight oil for last minute preparation before the exam, and even then he or she may not have time enough to cover the entire portion. Time wasted is time lost forever. Hence, procrastination is the proverb which is referred to as the thief of time. Let us be warned against the dangers of delayed actions. So in this manner we have completed this one. अभी आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि कैसे हो रहा है कि एक साथ दे रही हूँ, क्योंकि एक एक करके नहीं दे सकती ना, मीन्स एक टॉपिक पे सारे कंटेंट जो अवेलेबल्स है वो मैं इसी वीडियो में डाल रही हूँ. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. एक्सपांड द थीम अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज़ अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम. ये बार बार रिपीट होता है. अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज़ अ फ्रेंड इन डीड सिग्निफाइज द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ अ ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप. अ ट्रू फ्रेंड इज़ ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू in your good or bad times. It is hard to find a true friend in current times, though it is not impossible. A true friend is a gift of God who always stays with you and guides you to be on right path and prevents you from falling prey to unfortunate circumstances. Paragraph change. A true friend will never leave you alone, and he will be always there for you when you face the difficulties in the life. There are many people who befriend wealthy individuals and use them for their selfish needs, and whenever he is in some challenging situation, they slowly escape from the vicinity. In this manner, we have completed this expansion theme on the topic A Friend in Need is a Friend in. एक्सपांड द थीम मैनर्स मेक अ मैन. देखिए अभी जो हम लोग करने वाले हैं मैनर्स के ऊपर एक एक्सपांशन ऑफ द थीम लिखना है, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा उन्होंने कंफ्यूज किया है. मेक द वर्ड डाल के, मेक मतलब कुछ नहीं होता, मेक द है इसका मीनिंग. चलिए अब हम डायरेक्टली इसका एक्सपांशन देखते हैं. अ मैन इज जज्ड बाय हिज आउटवर्ड बिहेवियर एंड एटीट्यूड. इफ द अपीयर्स pleasing to other people, say he has good manners. This would include the way he dressed, the politeness of his tone, and the social courtesies that he practiced. For example, if a man is respectful to his elders and to women, he will be well liked by society. If he is arrogant and proud, no one will like him. Other people will tend to avoid him whenever they can. He will be an unwelcoming guest in any company. Indeed, your manners dictate how people will react to you. Very often, your manners will also determine what opportunities you will be given in life to go ahead and process. Bad-mannered people will never be helped by anyone willingly. They will always be treated to a disdain. Good manners come from having respect for others and an awareness of our limitations. If we value the other person's need for self-respect, we will in turn be respected. We should treat others as we would expect to be treated. This is the essence of good manners. So in this manner we have completed the video on the topic manners make a मैन. इजी और सिंपल था ये भी, बस इन्होंने थोड़ा सा उसको चैलेंजिंग बनाया था ये मेक तो यूज़ करके. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द. अभी हमने इसका फर्स्ट पार्ट बनाया है. सेकंड पार्ट में और अदर एग्जांपल्स जो क्वेश्चन बैंक के बचे हैं वो मैं कंप्लीट करवा दूँगी. Thanks dear student for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Please students आप अपने classmates के साथ भी ये वीडियो शेयर करें और उन्हें भी कहें कि मेरे चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें. बाय एवरीवन.